Right, this is what I've been trying to demonstrate. I've had to make a video because it's the only way I think I'm going to be able to show you. Right, ultimately this is the parts that I used. This is a little microcomputer. That's a little screen, and then this goes to a barcode reader. That's just a battery to power it all up. Let's see what happens when you fire it up. So let's plug it in. Alright, so as you can see, the flashing light just means it's starting up. And if we watch the screen, it's a bit slow this one, but let's see. There's a reason why it's slow. Right, just while that's loading, I'll show you the USB, what do you call it, the barcode reader is not plugged in at the minute. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it says system ready but disconnected. What does that mean? That means that this is disconnected but the system is ready. Now what does that mean? Right, now if we go to a web browser, well, I'm going to have to cheat here because I already know what the address of this is. Right, so let's just find it. I think it was that one. Obviously this little device is not very powerful, which is why this whole system is slow, but there you go. That takes you to a website or a web page, which is actually effectively an app, which is running on this little thing, right? So all it does is it connects to the Wi-Fi and it gives you computer access to the actual stock system, right? So I'll demonstrate this one at a time. So that just shows you what that means by when it says system ready. So if we now plug this together, so put this in, I might need, right, that little beep means that it's ready, and as you can see it says connected. Right, now if I just get something random, like a bottle of Coke, and scan it, you can see it beeped and it says Coca-Cola. The quantity one is what I've got set in here, and it basically connects and gives you an instant display as to what the stock quantity is. Obviously that can be changed and programmed to whatever you want, so that just demonstrates it functioning using this little device. So that could be incorporated into a mobile or a handheld device of some kind, which could be in an even smaller controller because it doesn't need to have the power that this one has. But if I demonstrate now the next bit, which is this, right, you can see, oh sorry, a bit of a shaky cam. Right, if I now log in, because it won't give you access unless you log in, I'll log in as myself. Right. Right, it's now logged in. I'll just save that for now. Right, so now we've got this product entry system. Yeah, got a few products in there. Right, it's ready to go, and it's asking you to scan or manually enter a barcode. Now, to show you the ease of use of this system, is this barcode reader could easily be unplugged from this. So normally you'd have a second one, but you know, I'm going to plug this into my computer down here. It might be a bit dark. Right, and now this will work straight on the website. So if we get my little bottle of Coke again, not so little, right, you will see if I scan it, it's instantly come up with the stock information, right? So you got the company code, which could be anything you like, the brand, whatever, and just various different description fields that you can fill out, or increase or reduce or whatever you want, fully customizable. You've got your stock quantity, which in this case I've got 6. And then you can change this. You just click update, and yeah, so as you can see, it's actually created 3 different barcodes, right? And these are created on the fly, so they're generated dependent on what information you put in here. This barcode matches exactly what is on the bottle itself, but the barcode is a custom barcode, but it still reads the same number. This barcode or QR code is a graphical representation of that number, and this code, which says eTag QR, is actually a graphical representation of the eTag code, which is that one. Right, so if we just click update, it updates the system, goes back to the entry page and shows you the barcodes, which you can then do whatever you like with. You can send it to a printer, save it, I mean whatever, the options are there, but it's generating 3 on the fly within an instant. Yeah, so that's a sort of brief introduction. It does a lot more, but that's to begin with.